Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick, the Director of Sales at JBG. If you're watching this, you're probably either thinking about joining the Dual Bigs group or you're already in the process, trying to understand what it actually looks like. And I'm going to be real with you. This is not your typical real estate team. We don't just bring you on, hand you a login and wish you luck. There is no luck. We train you, we test you, we develop you. Because the goal here isn't just to add agents, it's to build professionals who actually know what they're doing, who can convert at a high level in a high performance environment, and who can build a real business. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the process looks like from day one all the way through to getting fully onboarded, taking leads and operating as a JBG agent. And the centerpiece of all of that is something we call Wired. So what is Wired? Let's start here. Wired is our required training program for every single new agent that joins the Dual Bigs group. And when I say training, I don't just mean a couple of Zooms or a few PDFs. This is structured, it's intentional, and it's designed to prepare you for real, actual business. It's a 12-day program with 24 sessions. Inside that, you're going to go through in-office training days, plus actually get out there into the field with agents already on the team to learn everything you need to know about being an agent. You're actually seeing showings, open houses, negotiations, inspection, deals in motion. Because the truth is, this is business and how it's best learned. It's not just listening. By the end of Wired, the expectation is simple. You can step into the role and actually perform and make money. Why does Wired actually exist? Let me explain this a little bit further. Most agents in the industry fail. It's the easiest industry to get into, one of the hardest to make it. I tell every new recruit this. Not because an agent's not capable, but because they're never given the structure or the blueprint for success. They don't know what to say, how to follow up, how to qualify and how to convert, how to manage a deal. So they end up guessing. And guessing in this business costs you money. At JBG, we eliminate all of that. We give you systems. We give you scripts, expectations, the reps. So you're not just winging it. There's no luck, you're executing. But here's the flip side. We also hold you accountable to it through coaching, mentoring, and the very best systems. So this is where I want to be very clear. This is a performance-driven environment. And what we've seen over and over again is if you show up consistently, it shows in your conversations, in your pipeline, and ultimately how you do closings. So from day one, the expectation is you show up on time, you're prepared, you're coachable, and you're consistently on a daily level. That's what it looks like. 30 to 50 outbound calls, responding to leads within 15 minutes, actually having real conversations, not just dialing. Weekly, it's 150 to 250 calls, 20 to 30 real conversations, 4 to 6 appointments. And on top of that, it's shadowing appointments, practicing scripts, learning the market. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up, putting in the reps, and getting better every single day with our help, because that's what builds momentum. So, what are you actually learning inside of Wired? Let's break it down a little bit. First, it's lead conversion. You're going to learn speed to the lead, how to handle inbound opportunities, and how to actually get someone on the phone, keep them engaged. We use structured frameworks like ALM, LP Mama, appointment, location, motivation, to fully understand your conversation with your client and how to move them to the next step. This isn't a random conversation. There's structure behind every call and intention. Second part is scripts and communication. You're going to role play a lot because knowing what to say and how to be able to say it naturally are two very different things. We train both. The third, the full transaction process from the first conversation to showing homes to writing offers, getting under contract and closing. You're going to understand every step. So when a client asks you something, you don't hesitate, you lead. 4, systems and tech. We operate out of Follow-Up Boss. You'll learn how to use it, manage your pipeline, track your leads, stay organized, follow up effectively, because if your pipeline is disorganized, your business is going to be too. Let me paint a quick picture of what this actually looks like day to day. You're coming in with structure. You start your day with script practice or role play, then maybe moving to core block, lead follow-up, setting appointments. Midday, you're now in training sessions, learning objection handling, breaking down conversations, reviewing real scenarios, and then you're getting exposure to the field, shadowing showings, sitting open houses, watching how top agents operate and perform. It's not just about the theory. You're constantly connecting what you learn to real life situations to get better. And I'll be honest, there's a few things that we see time and time again that agents struggle with. Avoiding calls, overthinking conversations, talking too much instead of listening, not following up consistently. These are normal, but they're also the things that hold agents back. And that's why we focus so heavily on repetition, because confidence doesn't come from knowing, it comes from doing it over and over again to build healthy habits. Now let's talk about culture. We're a high performance environment. That means we support each other, we collaborate. We also hold each other to account. There's no waiting around. There's no I'll get to it later, because the agents who win in this business are the ones who stay consistent. And at the same time, you're not doing this alone. You have mentorship, leadership, weekly and even daily check-ins, ongoing support. We're here to help you grow, but you have to show up and do the work. The final step of Wired, and the most important, is the certification. At the end of the program, you don't just finish, you have to prove you're ready to go out into the field and take everything you've learned and put it into practice. It's through a live role play with me. It's a simulated call, treating exactly like it is a real life situation. I'll throw objections to you. Things like, I already have an agent. I want to wait. I'm just browsing. It's your job to stay in control, ask the right questions, and move the conversation forward. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking for confidence, structure, and the ability to handle real conversations. Because if you can do it there, you'll be able to do it in real life. And once you pass the certification, the real fun begins. This is where you start. You become eligible for team leads, open houses, real client opportunities. Now you're applying everything you've learned. You're having real conversations, building your pipeline of clients, creating actual business. And this is where consistency will really pay off, because the more you show up, the more momentum you build. So I'll leave you with this. This process is designed for people who want to take this seriously. People who want structure, people who want to grow, and people who are willing to put in the work. Because if you do, the opportunity here is real. We've built the system very intentionally, not just to bring agents on, but to help them actually succeed. So if that's what you're looking for, let's get to work.